Hi, in this ICP we have learnt about the NLP techniques like unigram, bigram, trigram, and the tokenization, POS, lemmatization, named based entity. So here in the ICP, the first thing is in the code available we need to change the SVM as the classifier and the TD TF-IDF vectorizer and the set the argument to English. So for this, here is the code. So in this first thing we are importing the necessary libraries, and here we have here first we have print the navy base classifier output, the accuracy, and next thing we have replaced that with the SVM, and we are printing the accuracy score using the SVM classifier. And the next part is we are changing the TF-IDF vectorizer to use the bigram. So in this we are putting the n-gram range as 1, 2 and printing the accuracy here. And here in this next part is setting up the argument as stop words equal to English. So in this we have got the accuracy score after you adding the stop words. So this is how we have done the first part. I'm running this here. This usually takes time to print the output. You can see here. So here it is printing the accuracy, it is 0.7739. For calculating the SVM it usually takes time. So here I am showing the one which is already run. So for the SVM we get the accuracy as 0.83, so it has been improved. Using the bigram it is 0.76, and with the stop words it is 0.8169. And the next part of the ICP is extracting the URL using the beautiful soup and saving it in the input and applying all these NLP techniques on it. So here is the code for it. I have done this in terms of paths because it's been with the huge number of lines, so it's not printing the entire output over here. So this has been broken down into the multiple paths. So here first thing we are importing the beautiful soup library and importing all the necessary libraries for doing this. From this URL we are reading the data, input data, and storing it in the input.txt file. So here in the input you can see here, so here in input.txt all the data is being stored. So now I am applying the tokenization technique for this. So here it prints the tokenization values. I'm running this one. Yeah, here it has been printed tokenization, and the next part is the POS, parts of speech, is also been printed over here. You can see these in terms of this has been stored in the notepad file. Yeah, here we can see this is the huge data. It's printing the data and also the tokenization and the POS values. And the next part is finding the stemming. So I'm doing that for stemming separately again. So the same thing where I am importing the data here and applying the stemming part of code here, finding the Porter stemming and Lancaster stemming and also Snowball stemming. I'm running the output here. Yeah, this is how it is. Here it shows the output for this. This is the stemming one, and the next part is the lemmatization. This is the lemmatization. So for this also the this part of the code is same for all. This is the code for lemmatization, these 3 lines of code. I'm running this one also. Yeah, it is giving the lemmatizing output, it is still running. Yeah, so it has printed the entire output over here. And the next is trigamy. Since the first part of the code is same for all, because of the multiple lines of code I have done it in different programs. This is for trigamy, and the next for this named entity recognition. This is also, we can see it's almost the same. Here I have copied this thing, ner equal to ne underscore chunk dot chunk pos. This gives the ner. Here I am running it. It is still running. Named entity recognition, it is being printed over here. Yeah, so this is all being done. So since it has huge lines of code, all is done separately. Thank you.